Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting Adobe Audition tutorial. And in this tutorial I will teach you how to make or burn a CD track or how to put your files in them. It's very simple. You can put any part or any type of audio files that you have or you have created in your multi-track session or you have edited. Just go to new file icon, then click on this new CD layout, not on the multi-track session or new audio file, on the new CD layout. Once you click it like this layout is open, and here you can just drag and click and drag and drop things in here. It's actually that simple. Okay, I have these files in here. I just drag it out here and drop it. You can drop as many and how many things and things that you want and of any duration. Just keep in mind that the selection and the source and the stuff, the duration that your file size does not exceed your DVD or the disk that you are burning to that size. It says CD layout, but it does not really mean that it has to be strictly CD. It can be any other disk if you have the proper writer in your computer installed, and it can write DVDs or anything, even Blu-rays, stuff like that. So the point is that you can write or burn your DVDs directly from Adobe Audition. You do not need to save your files, then go back and burn them from another software or from your computer's DVD-ROM or some stuff like that. You can directly burn it from here just as you finished your project. So once you are happy with your selection, just two files in here, so sorry for that. Okay, then click on this button which says burn audio to CD. Then if you have not rebooted your computer or since Audition installed, we suggest doing so. Avoid any internet. It's just gonna give you some options. I'm just gonna cancel it actually, and I'm gonna come here to this again and click it. You can select your drive if you have more than one writer or drive to it. Of course, you can eject it to place your DVD in it. I don't have placed, or I'm not gonna burn any DVD, so I don't have that need for it. This button of course ejects your disk tray. How do you want to write it? Do you want to test it before writing? Well, these days writers are so good that you really don't need to test it, but if your composition or your audio tracks they are not up to the par, you better test it once to be safe. Then then write it. But I'm going to choose the option of writing. Then of course there are options of speed. My option is grayed out because I don't have any disk in my DVD disk tray, and I'm not burning it actually. But if it was, then you can specify the speed of your track, that if it's not burning, it's not a good quality disk writer, then you better stick with the lower speed, and it would take a little bit more time, but it will write the files correctly. Okay, how many copies do you want to make? 1, 2, 3, depends on what kind of writer you have, how many disks can it burn on one or write at the same time. After the burning is done, if you check this option, it says verify CD after burning. It checks that everything has been transferred from these original files from your hard disk and Audition to the disk, and they are in the correct position and they can be verified. So, and after your CD is burned or it is written over it and verified and everything is jolly good, then it needs to eject it if this option is checked out. Of course, you cannot just push the computer button, you are so lazy. So they provided this here, and so that's it guys. If there was a disk, then I would have been given the option of OK, and I would have clicked it and the disk would have been burned. But since I am just making a tutorial to demonstrate that how you can directly burn your CDs or disks from Adobe Audition, you do not have to leave it to burn your audio file onto a disk. This is how you do it. So with that said, I take my leave from you guys, and I hope that you liked and learned something in this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Until then, goodbye.